Alright. Hi everybody, I'm Jason. My project is about making an alarm clock that tries to get away from you. So if you've read anything I've written about this so far, you should know that I actually live in Seoul, Korea right now. So I was wondering if Arduino parts might be a little bit hard to come by, but it turns out I was in luck. I did a little research on the internet. I actually found a shop near my house and I got this bag of goodies right here. I was able to talk to the guy. He didn't really speak English that well, but I was able to communicate what I wanted, and it turns out that he actually builds little Arduino robots for the movies, like special effects and stuff. That was really cool, and we kind of helped me with some suggestions and stuff. So why don't I show you what's in here, and I'll show you what new stuff I got in addition to all the stuff that's already in the SparkFun Inventors Kit. Okay, so here's the stuff that was in my little bag. I got everything at that shop I was talking about, except this little guy here, which I'll talk about later. But why don't we start with this? I got a whole bunch more cables because I'm going to be making a lot of connections. So these are just like the ones in the SparkFun Inventors Kit. Got male-to-male connections here. But I also picked up a few of these female ones. That's because to connect to some of the Arduino modules, I needed some female ends. So some of those Arduino modules are these guys here. These are ultrasonic sensors, pretty basic, you know, sends out an an ultrasonic signal and receives it back. You can use that to calculate the distance of things with the speed of sound, as we all should have read in our textbooks, right? So I got 3 of those, gonna put those on the front here, be able to detect walls and detect motion in front of the vehicle here. So I got this too. This I just thought was cool. Instead of putting like a ultrasonic sensor on the back, I just put this little IR sensor on the back because it won't be doing much reversing, but this will detect motion. So that's pretty cool. It was pretty cheap actually, so I was pretty happy with that little guy. And then of course I'm making an alarm clock, so I definitely need one of these here. This is an RTC, or real-time clock module. So it's got a little battery, keeps the time when all the power is out. So it's got the time stored in there right now. All I have to do is just read it into my program and I can get the time, current time. So on top of that, I also got this new breadboard. The other one that comes with the SparkFun Inventors Kit is already stuck into that plastic. I don't think it'll quite fit unless I saw that plastic in half or something, because if I rip it out, it'll probably rip out all the little metal that's inside with it. So I also got this guy. This is one that I ordered online. This is a motor controller. So I'm going to be having the 2 motors here to control the wheels. This will allow me to reverse and stuff like that pretty easily. So I can just plug it in and use that. It's another integrated circuit thing, like the one that's included with the SIK there. And then of course the piece de resistance. My chassis here. So it came with this little battery pack. It's even got a little switch that you can hook up, and the guy at the shop that I bought this from, he gave me this little end piece that I can hook up and actually use it to plug into the Arduino instead of having to wire it in. And then he actually built this. It comes as a kit, but he built it for me, didn't even charge me any fee for that, so that was pretty cool. He's a nice guy. So it's got a couple of wheels attached to some little motors here, and then just got this wheel for stability, and I can just mount all this stuff on top. So it should be pretty cool. I'll probably put the breadboard in the middle, some ultrasonic sensors on the front, the IR sensor on the back, and then I don't know, squeeze on the Arduino board somehow. I'll probably put the battery pack underneath if I can, and yeah, I'll try and cram all that in there and see how it works out. So in my next video, I'll probably write the programs. I was thinking I should do it in modules. Maybe the alarm clock module first, get that working, and then like the actual driving and motor control stuff afterwards, and then combine those two. So I should have probably 2 more videos coming up pretty soon, because I'm gonna work on this right now. So wish me luck and good luck in your projects too. Thanks.